Hey everyone guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to use a Visa gift card to actually, pay for your orders on Uber Eats. So if you have one and you're not sure how to add it, don't worry. I'll guide you through the process. So let's get started guys, okay? So first things first guys, you want to make sure that your Visa card is activated, okay? You can check the balance and the activation details on the back of the card or by visiting the card issuer's website. Next guys, what you want to do is you want to open up the Uber Eats app on your phone. Just tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner, then go to wallet or payment. Okay, here you'll see the option to add a new payment method. You just want to tap on add payment method and choose either credit or debit card. All right, you just want to enter the Visa card details, including the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. And then you just guys, all you want to do is tap on save to add the card to your account. And once added, guys, you can actually select the Visa gift card as a payment method when you are placing an order. Just make sure your gift card balance is actually sufficient enough, guys, to cover the total cost, including tax and fees, guys, okay? And that's it, guys. Basically, you are now all set to use your Visa gift card on Uber Eats. And guys, if you found this video helpful, this guide helpful, don't forget to like, guys. Make sure you comment if you have any trouble. I'll try to help you out in the comments below. And as always, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you guys in the next video, guys. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you